Hey yo, what's up everyone and welcome back to Trade Mine. So yesterday we already mentioned that the gold will be going back to the lower side. So what we already mentioned, we already using the bigger picture to let you guys know what is really going on. So what is the bigger picture? Bigger picture is yesterday we already mentioned the gold ETF is actually shrinking. Okay, this is physical gold. So if this is actually shrinking, this definitely giving us some thought that the market conditions or maybe the big institutions like the hedge fund and big investor institutions is not likely to buy in gold anymore. So this has been pushing some, not saying pushing pressure on gold. I can say that the demand on gold is actually slightly to be lower sides. So from that point onwards, we can see yesterday the correlationship between the gold and the dollar index, it's actually divergence, a negative back. Okay, from the past few days, we can see that the gold and the dollar index correlationship is positive. Right now it's negative. So what does it mean by that? Meaning by that is that the market reads appetite has been gradually increasing and gold hedging will be likely to be so aggressive. So gold will be likely to be going back to the lower sides. So I'm expectations that the gold market might be going back to lower. The bigger players is actually reducing their hedging positions on gold market. So in the short period of time, we do expect that the gold market might be going back towards on the lower sides. But if you're asking me, is it possible to like breaking through new low? I don't really think so. I'm thinking that the market is actually forming a big ranging level. The price is actually going back to the lower reach area, and then after that the price might be forming a big ranging level and will be starting another trend in January or late January that time. So this is our expectations for now. So currently, I will be suggesting that everyone try to do short positions because the dollar index is showing us some signs that the price is definitely going higher and the correlation with the dollar index has been negative. So this is actually showing us that our predictions and expectations is actually true. The stock indexes will be definitely going higher. So SP 500 will be showing some signs of going higher and dollar index will be strengthened as well and gold market will be going lower. If you really wanted to have a higher ROI, I do suggest that you can try to do long and crude oil because crude oil is identified as a risk assets. So the risk appetite is actually increasing. I do think that crude oil might be going higher. This is my thought, but if you really wanted to know more about it, remember to watch our Trade Mine. Our Trade Mine will be providing a lot of information, trade ideas, trading signals, and so on. So hope to see you soon, and I hope to see you guys next time.